Good morning, all my friends. I'm using Oracle VirtualBox Manager and I'm going to show you how to create an exact image of your VM. So what I have done, I have just installed CentOS 9 on a VM I created inside VirtualBox Manager. And before I do any R&D or any installation or configuration changes, I want to make an exact copy of it so that I can reuse it later. Simple steps you need to follow. Right click this and hit clone. Give a name that you can recognize. So I'll use something like this, fresh, because I have not done any further installation or changes on this machine. So I want to maintain a fresh image always. And where you want to store this machine. So I'm using my D drive. You can use C drive or any drive you like. Pay attention to this section, clone type, full clone or linked clone. So if I select link clone, I can make changes to my original VM or to the link clone. And when you choose link clone, you see when chosen, the cloned VM will save space by sharing the source VM disk images. So you will create a linked file in simple words. It's like creating a shortcut or link file. But you can still make changes and roll back those changes. And you will be using very small amount of disk space. And if you use full clone, it will consume as much space as the current machine because it's an exact copy. So it is like you have a 10 MB file, you create a copy, you still have another file with the same amount of space, 10 MB, just like that. Now, MAC address policy include only network adapter MAC addresses. So I will do this. Generate new MAC addresses for all network adapters so that this new machine, if I uh, run it or start it, it will not conflict with the existing one. OS installation options, keep disk names, keep hardware UIDs. So I don't want to have the same serial numbers or same UUIDs, so I'll keep these changes, sorry, these boxes unchecked. You click finish and you see here copying machine and it is pretty much fast. You see, fresh. Now this machine and this machine both are different. You see, CentOS 9 Fresh and CentOS Ansible Server. So this is the name of the machine I have given. Inside the machine, whatever OS I am using, whether Windows or Linux, I can have a different host name. Okay, so don't get confused with host name and machine name. They can be different. Now you see here, when I select the original one, this is the VDI. So virtual disk image, which I have saved on my D drive. It is consuming 20 GB. You see, this is also consuming 20 GB. Now let's create a linked clone. I will use the same machine again, link clone, and let me call it something linked clone so that I know what it is for. And I will generate new MAC addresses for all network adapters. Finish, and it is done. Now you see this is link clone and this is original clone, original machine. And there is no difference in the other configuration because this link clone is pointing to the same machine. Only the machine name I have given is different. Okay, let's see. Go to settings, go to storage, and you see what VDI it is using. The same VDI Ansible underscore server dot VDI. Now go to the original, go to settings, storage. You see Ansible underscore server dot VDI. The same disk it is using. That's why the link clone was quite fast or faster than full clone. In this case, let's go to settings, storage, VDI, and you see it's a different VDI. CentOS fresh. That's all about it, guys. If you have any question, let me know in comment box. Thank you. Bye bye.